So I speak about polygamy. Now, polygamy doesn't mean ori. Polygamy was a chori. Naki out of Munda Club, I'm saying, as African way. And African way, eri. Na abanu kaban. Me uhola mutam me uhola kaspiti ufeta mutwandati. Haya na akisakona etabana kamodi. Make enori papa. Eman kabona rasokola kabula thing. Kiko parola tamolekano omong kimetse wa hao. Don't just wake up and say naki tsamaya na ke tla le rato go tun. That's not enough kimi. Ke mme o tlo kgethela hore papa a tsba re lokile la le ka re tsa ngwana mshimane ba le ke ba ite mshimane ke motho mampela. Ntse tsenya re man is a real man, ngwana mshimane important came to Christianity. We never did in Africa. Both of us were equal, a man and a woman. How not to Mushimani, how not to one Rebana. Then when Western people came in and said, there is a man, whereby one Shimani killed Sibulu, they were Tatonga, Bohosi. Bohosi doesn't mean coming back that Lumo Tom. Africa was ruled by the women before the men. When the East came into Africa, because of the first person people to invade Africa was the East before the West. When they left Africa and been chased away by the women, but women are the one who fought against the East. They took an African way and went with it to the Eastern Cape, whatever, Eastern, whatever. When they came, they said, I'm Muslim. Whereas everything begins here. But I mean, slavery, you always focus on the West and forget about the East. What happened when the Western people were here? When the Arabs were here, what happened is, men, by the Hatel, I'm sorry to say this. I phone you. Is an uncle of no capian. Is an spam zakun of Kasham. There is no people who were taught to be lazy like the Zulu Men.
Nakata matot.
Oh, Mama was Africa are the ones who fought in the East so that Africa can be whatever it is today. When the East came, women said, one Korean woman said, you know what we're going to do, guys? I'm Arabs. Let's come together and discuss. Example, I'm going to show 12 example. I'm going to make a signal. Manga's a signal that says you got to give those men esteeming powerful African sex. Give them the most sex that they've never had in their life. While they're enjoying, when they blow the whistle, cut their throat out. In the following day, those who didn't do that, Mama forgot, hey, he goes faster than they ran away. Then Zulu Men came and said, Tina, so cut a young kid, started no trial, see Linyama, Museven Johnny Kishin. That's a bit like it. Women have always been the forefront of everything today. That is why in Africa, when you rule, don't follow one person. Don't believe to a leader. We believe to a team of two people, which is the mother and the father. Mkhulu, Nintate, Muhulu. And they don't go parallel. They go parallel. Omunga kayako, omunga totele kamot.